Learning Python with a magical tales of adventure, resistance and friendship, set in the stunning Zagros. A story of coding resistance and friendship. Chapter 1. The Discovery. Part 3. Vian spent many hours and used her skills and imagination to make the drone better. She gave it arms and legs. She gave it a head and a face and a head. Finally, Vian turned the drone into a friendly robot. It was small and simple, but it was also beautiful. It had big eyes and a smile. Vian connected the central chip of the robot to the computer USB through a special cable and programmed the robot using the software. The software recognized the robot and displayed a message saying that the central chip was connected. Vian was now able to program the robot using the software. Vian wrote some code and ran it on her laptop. She watched as the drone came to life and started to move according to her commands. She was amazed and delighted. She had just made her robot. She decided to name the robot Azad, which means free in Kurdish. She wanted to teach Azad to be intelligent and act like a human. She wanted to teach Azad so that it could defend itself and her people from the drones and the enemies. She decided to teach Azad Python and more skills. She thought that if Azad could learn Python, it could become smarter and stronger, and could act like a human, and maybe even control the aggressive drones, so that it could defend her land from the drones and change the world. Vian smiled and said to Azad, "Hello, Azad. I'm Vian. I'm your friend, and I'm going to teach you Python." Azad blinked its camera and made a beep sound. It was ready to learn. This book is the result of the Python lessons that Vian taught her robot. I hope that you will enjoy reading these books and will be empowered by them. Remember, you can be like Vian. You can learn Python. You can make robots. You can change the world.